Shaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11 today and subject is zoology. हमारा जो यूनिट चल रहा है वह है सेल बियोलॉजी and our today's topic is endoplasmic reticulum, EPR. What is this endoplasmic reticulum? Dear students, the term endoplasmic reticulum is actually the combination of two words. Combination of this term endoplasmic reticulum is the combination of two different words. Two words. Number one, endoplasmic, and number second, reticulum. This term endoplasmic reticulum, EPR, it is a combination of two words, that's endoplasmic and reticulum. This endoplasmic means within the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic means within the cytoplasm. And this reticulum means network. Are you getting my point, dear students? This term endoplasmic reticulum, it is a combination of two words, that is endoplasmic and reticulum. This endoplasmic means within the cytoplasm and reticulum means network. Though we can say that endoplasmic reticulum is the network within the cytoplasm. This term, it is the network within the cytoplasm. It is a network within the cytoplasm. Thus, we can say that this endoplasmic reticulum is the network within the cytoplasm. This endoplasmic reticulum, if we talk about its discovery, this endoplasmic reticulum was for the first time discovered by Porter, Clade and Fullman. Fullman independently in 1945. This endoplasmic reticulum is for the first time discovered by Porter, Clade and Fullman independently in 1945. And then it is named as endoplasmic. It is named as endoplasmic reticulum by Porter only in 1953. Though this term endoplasmic reticulum, endoplasmic means within the cytoplasm and reticulum means network. Go network within the cytoplasm, we call it is an endoplasmic reticulum. And this endoplasmic reticulum, it is three-dimensional, complicated and interconnected network of membrane liner channels. Membrane liner channels that runs throughout the cytoplasm. Though this endoplasmic reticulum, it was discovered by Porter, Clade and Fullman independently in 1945. Later on, it was named by a scientist, that is Porter, only in 1953. As per his statements are concerned, endoplasmic reticulum is a three-dimensional, complicated and interconnected network of membrane liner channels that runs throughout the cytoplasm. Then This endoplasmic reticulum divides the intercellular space. This endoplasmic EPR, this endoplasmic reticulum, it divides the intracellular space into two compartments. Number one, luminal. Within the cytoplasm or inside the cytoplasm? Inside the cytoplasm. And extraluminal, that is rest of the cytoplasm or outside the cytoplasm. Rest of the cytoplasm. Though we can say that this endoplasmic reticulum, it divides the intercellular space into two different compartments. One is called the luminal inside the cytoplasm and the other is extraluminal in the rest of the cytoplasm. Then this endoplasmic reticulum, seemed to be confined within the originally. If we talk about the endoplasmic reticulum, originally seemed to be confined within the cytoplasm, but nowadays, now it is extended up to the ectoplasm also. Now, location of the endoplasmic reticulum. What is the location of endoplasmic reticulum? This endoplasmic reticulum is almost present in all the eukaryotic cells. This endoplasmic reticulum, where it is located? It is located almost in all the eukaryotic cells. Ova cells, embryonic cells, and the mature blood cells. Lacks endoplasmic reticulum. ये बात जरूर याद रखनी है. That is, endoplasmic reticulum is almost present in all the eukaryotic cells, but ova, embryonic cells, and the mature blood cells, it lacks endoplasmic reticulum. Moreover, prokaryotic cells also lacks endoplasmic reticulum. If we talk about the location of the endoplasmic reticulum, this endoplasmic reticulum is almost present in all the eukaryotic cells, but in few cases, that is ova, embryonic cells, and the mature blood cells, it lacks endoplasmic reticulum, and all the prokaryotic cells also lacks endoplasmic reticulum. This is the location of then. Then about the amount of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, the amount of the endoplasmic reticulum varies from cell to cell. It varies from cell to cell. It's not, it doesn't remain same, but it varies. The amount of this endoplasmic reticulum varies from cell to cell. For example, in the liver and in pancreatic cells, it has an abundant amount of endoplasmic reticulum. And in other cells, it has at least amount of an endoplasmic reticulum. That means the amount of the endoplasmic reticulum, it varies from cell to cell. This is the amount, location, introduction, discovery of endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. Structure of the endoplasmic reticulum. The structure of the endoplasmic reticulum is composed of three elements. Number one, cisternia. Number two, tubulus. Number three, vesicles. Due to lack of time, the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, these three, estonia, tubulus, and vesicles, should be discussed inshallah in tomorrow's lesson. That's enough. Thank you. Khida Hafiz.